Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are studying nicely. I am Shinde DG sir. I welcome you to your channel that is Awesome English for Learners. Friends, today you are going to learn interchange of degrees of comparison. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and press bell icon to get notifications. Before going to watch this video, you must watch the rules of degrees of comparison. Part first. Now in this video you will learn interchange of degrees of comparison by DG Shinde sir, MIT School Division, Ambajogai. Students, you know very well there are three types of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. I explained in detail in our previous videos rules of degrees of comparison. You must watch that video and then you watch this video. Students, we can change the degrees of comparison of an adjective or adverb without changing the meaning of the sentences. For example, here interchange of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here let's study some examples given below. Positive degree: I am as tall as he is. And here comparative degree: he is not taller than I am. As you can probably see, both sentences mean the same. This sentence uses the positive adjective tall and we can express the same idea using the comparative adjective taller. Note that when we compare two people or two things, we do not normally use the superlative degree. Now look at this sentence: I am as tall as he is. Here we make interchange of this degree into comparative degree. He is not taller than I am. Now in this the subject became object and object became subjects, and according to that the rules of degree we use not in this sentence and we use comparative form of degree tall, taller. In this way we interchange the degree of comparison, positive degree into comparative degree. Now let's see another example. Apples are not as sweet as mango. Means this sentence uses the positive adjective sweet. Then how to interchange this positive degree into comparative degree? Because we use comparison between two objects or two things, apples and mangoes. Means apple there is one thing and mangoes it is another thing, and we are making comparison between these two things. That's why here we use comparative degree. Just means I have told, when we compare two people or things, we do not normally use the superlative degree. Now look at how to change this positive degree into comparative degree. Mangoes are sweeter than apples. Here this sentence uses the comparative adjective sweeter. As the same way, the mangoes is an object becomes subject in this comparative degree, and we use are according to the subjects, and then we use second form or comparative form of sweet, sweeter, then we use than. In this way we convert positive degree into comparative degree. Now let's see another example. Sima is prettier than Rima. Here this is an example of comparative degree, and you must interchange this sentence into positive degree because we compare two persons, Sima and Rima. Here Sima is a subject. There in this sentence it becomes object. Rima is not pretty as Sima. In this way we make comparative degree into positive degree. Now let's see another example. I am not so wise as he. Now look, this is a negative sentence and this is the positive degree. When we interchange positive degree into comparative degree, then this sentence becomes positive. He is wiser than I. In this way, boys, we make some changes according to the sentence. If the sentence is positive, make it negative, and if the sentence is negative, make it positive. Now let's see another example. Ram walks as fast as Mohan. Here Ram is a subject and another subject is Mohan. In comparative degree, Ram becomes here an object and Mohan becomes here subject. Mohan does not walk faster than Ram. In this way you make comparison between this positive degree and comparative degree. Here boys, you have learned both sentences means the same. Means there is no change in the meaning. We compare two people or thing. And then third thing, if the sentence is positive, make it negative, and if the sentence is negative, make it positive. Now let's see the comparison among positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now look, Kolkata is the biggest city in India. This is the example of superlative degree. Then you must convert or interchange this superlative degree into comparative degree. Kolkata is bigger than any other city in India, and this comparative degree must change into positive degree. No other city in India is so big as Kolkata. Here in this sentence, a comparison is made between Kolkata and other city in India using the positive adjective big. The same idea can be expressed using the comparative adjective bigger and the superlative adjective biggest. Now let's see another example. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest Indian leaders. This is an example of superlative degree. Then how to change into comparative degree? See, Mahatma Gandhi was greater than most other Indian leaders. And positive degree, very few Indian leaders were as great as Mahatma Gandhi. In this way, boys, if you study this both examples, then here you will get the structure of superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est, and one of the plus adjective plus est. Now learn this chart. If the structure of superlative degree is the plus adjective plus est, then you must use the structure of comparative degree is adjective plus er plus than plus any other, and you must start the positive degree with no other as adjective as. And if the structure is one of the plus adjective plus est, then you must use adjective plus er than most or many other in comparative degree, and you start positive degree with very few. This chart is very important for you. If you learn this chart by heartily, then you will solve any question on degrees of comparison. Now let's see another examples. Kalidas was the greatest poet of the India. Here the structure of positive degree is the greatest, the plus adjective plus est. Then we use in comparative degree greater than any other poet. In this way you write this sentence: Kalidas was greater than any other poet of India. And this is the structure of the plus adjective plus est. Then you must start with your positive degree. No other poet of India was so great as Kalidas. In this way, learn that chart, then you will get all the ideas about these degrees. Now let's see another example. Sonia is one of the most beautiful girls. Now look students, here we make comparison among the all girls. Miss Sonia is one of the most beautiful girls. This is a structure of one of the. Then you must use more beautiful than most other. In this way, Sonia is more beautiful than most other girls. And positive degree, you must start with very few. Very few girls are as beautiful as Sonia. In this way, we make comparison among these three degrees. Let's see next example. Ajay is one of the cleverest boy in the class. This is also example of the one of the. Then you must make comparative degree. In this way, Ajay is more cleverer than most other boys in the class. And positive degree, you must start with very few. Very few boys in the class is as clever as Ajay. In this way, you have to learn by heartily that chart, and then you learn how to interchange the degrees of comparison. Now see this example. Ram is not the bravest of all boys. Means this is a structure, the bravest, superlative degree. Then how to interchange this sentence into comparative degree? Now look, Ram is not braver than some other boys, or some boys are not less brave than Ram. Means both way we can make comparative degree. Now let's see the positive degree. Some boys are at least as brave as Ram. In this way we make interchange of degree. Now let's see next example. Subhash Bose was one of the greatest patriots of India. This is the example of one of the structure one of the. Then you must use. Subhash Bose was greater than most or many other patriots of India. Then you must start the positive degree with very few. Very few patriots of India were so great as Subhash Bose. In this way, boys, you learn all these things. You must pause the video and write down each example, because these are very important examples for you. Now here positive degree is given, then you have to interchange into comparative degree and superlative degree. Read this. Some girls in the class are at least as beautiful as Sita. Think over it how to make comparative degree. See, Sita is not more beautiful than some other girls in the class, or some girls in the class are not less beautiful than Sita. In this way you make comparison. And superlative, Sita is not the most beautiful of all the girls in the class. In this way you can change comparative degree into positive degree into superlative degree into positive degree. In this way we make interchanges. If you learn all these things or rules of degrees of comparison, then you will get all these things clearly. Let us see the next example. London is the biggest city in the world. This is the example of superlative degree. Then you must use comparative degree. London is bigger than any other city in the world. And positive degree, no other city in the world is so big as London. Now look, this is the example of the biggest, the plus adjective plus est. That's why here we use adjective plus er plus than plus any other, and we started the positive degree with no other. In this way, means this is main difference between these two things. Then here I have given you assignment. Gold is the most precious of all metal, and India is the largest democracy in the world. Means after watching this video, you must write the answers in the comments and send me, boys. Now you have learned all these things by heartily. You must watch both the videos on these degrees of comparison. The first video is on rules of degrees of comparison, and the second video is interchange of degrees of comparison. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you very much.